Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. It is the first in a two-part series. I am going to be cleaning out my closet, purging a ton of stuff, and organizing it. So this is my friend Erin, if you're wondering who this is. Erin and I have been friends for like 31 or 32 years. We've been friends since we were 3 or 4 years old. And Erin has always been really talented at organizing and I mean, you've always been that way. Just always had
type A.
Oh, yes. Type A is kind of in a nutshell who Erin is, which is perfect. I needed someone to come help me purge everything. The whole idea of it is like overwhelming, and it was something that's been on my list for like a year, and I just needed someone to come and do it with me. So Erin offered to help me. She also offered to kind of help me figure out what things needed to go and figure out what pieces I could get from Container Store to better organize this space. So we did go to Container Store a couple of days ago and made our shopping list of all the items that we wanted to organize this closet. And today we're going to purge everything and then figure out counts, quantities of those items. But before we get started, I asked Erin to kind of give 3 tips when you are taking this task on and you're purging your closet. 3 tips to help you decide what goes and what stays. So Erin, would you share your first tip?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
so first is, does it fit you right now? I have a tendency to buy a lot of clothes, and if it doesn't fit me and my weight fluctuates a lot, then I'll just keep it around like, oh no, in 6 months this will definitely fit me when I lose those 10 pounds or whatever it is, and there's no reason to hang on to it.
Okay, what's tip 2?
Have you worn it in the last 6 months? Except, now the exceptions are formal wear and winter wear, especially here in Texas because we don't have winter very
6
often.
months?
6 months.
Okay, well, I will be honest, there's some stuff in this closet that I have literally not worn in 8 years probably. I can let go of that, but 2 years, I mean, sometimes I find clothes that I haven't worn in 2 years, but I think I'll still wear it. Is that a bad way to think?
I mean, look, let's get through some of it today and see how we do. But yeah, I'm gonna say definitely we'll have to do something. And
I can see you.
Oh. I'll paper rock scissor you for certain items. How about that?
Deal. That's the way we used to when we were kids.
Exactly.
Okay, and then tip number 3.
This is the one that I have to ask myself the most often, and it's, would you buy it today? If you were in a store or online shopping and you saw it, would you buy it right now? Not, I paid $400 for it a year ago, but you know, would I buy it today for whatever price it's at? That's kind of my rule of thumb.
That's a really good one. And I think that'll be ultimately the question that I ask myself when I am, because I have a lot of things that before I had kids, I splurged on. I bought things.
Absolutely.
Because I didn't have anything else to spend my money on. And those things are going to be hard to get rid of just because I did spend so much, but I haven't worn them since before kids. So
yeah.
Well, thank you, Erin.
Anytime. All
right, you guys. Well, we are so excited. We're going to dive right in. Before we do, I'm going to give you a quick little tour of this closet and show you what we are working with. And then make sure you tune into the second video of this series where I will unveil the new reorganized closet. I do want to thank Container Store for partnering with me on this video. And thank you so much, Container Store. And of course, I'll have everything linked down below on all the items that I selected. So you can check those out in the description box down below. All right, let's get started.
Yay!
Okay, so these are the entry doors to our closet. We have my bathroom counter over here, and then we have my husband's over here. So you walk into the closet. So we've been in our house about 2 years, and I was really excited when we built this closet. This is kind of my dream closet. However, I've been meaning to kind of spice it up since we've moved in, and I'm so excited I finally am. But this is what the closet looks like. So we have my husband's side over here, and then we have my side over here. We have built-in drawers and shelves on either side of the doors, his side and my side. This started off as my jewelry area, but you can see that it has kind of morphed into kind of just a big, I don't even know what you would call this, a junk area. I have, you know, just random stuff piled all over here. Then I have clutches and small like evening bags there. Then I have more bags tossed up there. Then I have some kind of more formal shoes that I hardly ever wear. And then I have tops hanging on this rack here. At one time I had these color coded, but you can see that that has kind of been lost. And then I have more tops down here. I have all my jeans and pants hanging here next to shorts. I have some hats up there. Back here I have kind of formal dresses. I mean, I think I have dresses dresses over there as old as 10 years that I probably don't even fit into anymore. So we're definitely going to get rid of some of those. Here I have, this is a lot of office wear clothing. So, you know, up until a few months ago, I worked in an office and I had, you know, business casual clothing. Probably a lot of this will go because I don't really have a need for it too much anymore. And, you know, if I ever find myself in need for clothing for that type of environment, then I will just go buy it. Then here I have some new dresses, some new things that I purchased. Dry cleaning gets shoved there. Down here I have, ooh, this is scary, don't judge me, shoes and Nordstrom bags and purses that don't have a place for them. More shoes, more bags, more Nordstrom bags, more shoes. All right, let's go over here to this side of my built-in shelves. So I was really excited to have these built-in shelves when we moved into this house. The only complaint I have, and we might be fixing it, is that they are very tall, right? So there's a lot of wasted space. If I put shoes here, then you have all this wasted space. So at the Container Store, we actually found these really cute, small, clear acrylic shoe cases. So we're gonna stack those there. I do have ability to build more shelves in here, and we might do that at some point. But either way, the shoe bins that we chose will work, even if we add shelf inserts there. Then, this is my husband's side. So his doesn't quite look any better. It just has less stuff. He stacks jeans and shorts here. Then he has some shoes here. He probably wears 2 or 3 pairs of these shoes. Then on this side, all of his work shirts, ties, random stuff. All of the stuff needs to probably be cleared out. More of his clothes. I think the thing that gets to me the most over here is all of the dry cleaning hangers. You know, just all of these like wire hangers from the dry cleaners. We are gonna clean out and make all the hangers consistent, which I'm so excited about. And then he also has a built-in, which he just has kind of, you know, stuff piled. More shorts, swim shorts. And then he has drawers for his underwear, undershirts, t-shirts, shorts, and then his socks are down there. And then we have this little ottoman in the center, which basically catches everything that I don't have a place for. So like these shorts, I don't have an extra hanger to hang them, so they just kind of end up there. This is kind of the state of my closet at all times. I didn't want to organize it before shooting this part because I really wanted you guys to see what my closet is like any given day. So this is what it is like. Okay, I wanted to do a mid, I don't know if we're midway through. We're probably not midway through. We're probably like 30% through.
There you go.
I'm being a little generous. But I wanted to show you the progress we're making. I'm very proud. Let's show. So far we have tackled handbags and pretty much done with shoes. You can see there's some good clean space on the shelves where there used to be stuff. So we have done that. These are the shoes that I am keeping. And then I have some also over here. Let me show you what I'm getting rid of though. I think that's most impressive. So all of this stuff is going. We're gonna sort through it and see what we're donating, if we're gonna resell any of it on like apps like Poshmark, and then bags. And we have yet to tackle clothes, but that's what this rack is for. We're gonna go through clothes here. We are done. Well, we're done with my half. I'm gonna do this other half with Paul tonight, but I wanna show you guys what it looks like. Kind of similar to how it looked before, but just a lot less stuff, a lot less cluttered. I'm gonna show you the items that we have planned to order from Container Store so that we can do the second part of this series where we actually organize everything. So exciting. But let me show you really quickly where we're at. All right, so here is my shelf, much less cluttered. I got rid of a lot of stuff. There will be really nice boxes here, linen boxes with clear lids, a few different options we're looking at, but I'm so excited to see what this space will look like when it's all done. Clothing is a lot Still a lot of clothes, but I have pared down quite a bit. The floor is clean. All these shoes will be in shoe boxes once we get them ordered. I will be color coding and probably changing how all of my clothes are hung here, but I'm not going to do that until I actually have everything from Container Store to do that with. And up here is pared down again. This is all going to look so much different and so much prettier once I have everything I need. But I just wanted to show you guys how much we pared down. So this is a little sneak peek of some of the things that we are ordering from Container Store. We went in on Monday. Erin came with me. We also got some help from their awesome associates. Told them what our needs were, how much space we had to work with, and they really helped kind of guide us in the right direction as far as the look that we wanted. I wanted clear acrylic, and I also wanted just kind of a linen, like, you know, cream color. So these are just a little sneak peek of what we will be ordering from Container Store. I'm so excited.
Wow.
Okay, so this was actually way more fun than I thought it was. To be honest, I was kind of dreading this whole process, but it was so fun. I have never felt so good about getting rid of so much stuff, you guys.
She did awesome.
She is so proud of me. I think she didn't.
I really am.
I think she thought I was gonna have a really hard time like purging and letting
Most
things
people
go.
do.
Yeah, I got rid of a lot of stuff. It feels so good. So I think it's gonna really help me just shop the pieces that I have more. I mean, there were so many things that I found in my closet that I forgot that I had just because they've been hidden or pushed under a drawer, and they've just gotten lost in all the mess. So
not anymore.
We're excited. I can't wait to show you guys the final reveal. All right, you guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.